talk for nothing, we say they talk for nothing. In Italian we say parlare inutilmente. But in siciliano si dice parli a matola. So the word ammatola means uselessly or for no reason. So ammatola, parlare ammatola means talking for nothing. In Italian we say parlare inutilmente. That's your Sicilian lesson for today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto! Salutiamo!